Sabadi, hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken soup, which is the rice soup. I use a jasmine rice, and I use the chicken. It's called Cornish Hen. It's little bitty chicken. It tastes better. It gives more flavor. And I don't make much soup, big bowl today. You know, like I'm a big pot. Have to be small pot. And it's late night, so all the restaurant is closed. And I'm like, oh my God, what am I gonna have for dinner? So I went to freezer, found the chicken, ginger, and all the ingredients. I have my refrigerator, fast and easy, okay? And once again, look at the time behind me. It's almost 9 o'clock. So I get off from work late, but it don't stop me from doing the video. If you have problem like me tonight, late night, go ahead, find the chicken and rice and all the ingredients here and cook with me, okay? The ingredient I have to use today, and I'm gonna show you the tray what I have here, and I will leave the name for you what I use, and the vegetable also, okay? Let's start cooking. I have a boiling hot water here, ready to go. And what I do, I'm gonna go ahead seasoning my soup first, and I'm gonna use a salt, chicken flavor, and chicken. Okay. Wow, the chicken start to smell so good. And what I do, guys, I rinse the rice about couple times, 2-3 times. Rinse with cold water. After you rinse with cold water, you want to go ahead put in the pot. A little bit water in there is okay. Okay, we're almost there. My rice look like it's soft and chicken is already cooked. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take my chicken out first because my chicken is perfect. It's cooked. Now take a look at the pot. The rice is like almost cooked, but the soup is low, so I add some more water. You know, when you make the rice soup, you know, every house is different. Some people like it, the thick rice soup. Some people like a lot of broth. It's up to you. Final, when you finish, take a look at your soup. Say what kind of texture you want. If they don't have enough water, please add some water. If like, you know, they too much water, just boil it down a little bit. And then the final touch, so I go ahead, put my chicken in. This recipe is finished, guys, and you see the step by step that I show you, and I already everything in here is magic one. This dish, look in my eye, special for the husband. When your wife gets sick, you must know how to cook this one for her, okay? All right, let's taste the soup. Okay, this one for kids that don't eat no hot pepper, okay? So take a look. With the sap, a little bit, you know, white pepper, hom. The sap, huh? And this one for the person who love chili pepper and you like it hot, very very hot. ไข่แตกเลยได้กินอันนี้นะกินตัวเผ็ดๆนี่ไข่แตกเลย But this soup is go for everything. You don't have to be sick to have this. This is good soup. Okay, let's trace. กินตัวเผ็ดๆแล้วทวนit's so good. มันเผ็ดso good. หอมchicken. Hot like hot pepper. Hot like a horn fire. Make me cry. I like that. Ooh. สิ้นไก่6 คุกโอเค So, this dish is very easy and simple. You can find anything that you have in the kitchen and combine to make it. For breakfast or dinner is perfect. And you don't want to eat something heavy, this is good, more like light. Alright, if you like my video, hit like, share and subscribe. I see you next video. Bye. ลาก่อน